Hey there. I've been selling real estate for over 20 years, and that's a long time in one industry, especially within the real estate world. The reason why I say that is that selling real estate is more than just the square footage, number of bedrooms, bathrooms. We get the honor and privilege of helping people during a very important time of their life. And I believe that properties like homes, that they hold memories, they hold an energy. And so here are five topics of things that you may want to consider writing down, keeping notes somewhere. First are big dates. This is from the real estate standpoint. If you ever sell the property, it will be helpful to know how old the HVAC is, the hot water heater, all those things. That's also going to be helpful for your insurance company as well. So writing down perhaps what modifications or upgrades you've made. By the way, if you've done a home remodel, make sure you let your mortgage company or your insurance company know, so that way they can make sure you're properly covered for replacement costs. Other thing you want to write down are the little quirks, that if you do something with this light switch over here, it doesn't do what you think, it actually does that. Every home has one. And if it's a new home, just wait, you'll find out which one, that is. And by the way, the buyers who are taking the home over love to have this type of information too. And then, of course, as you're trying to familiarize maybe a newcomer with what's in the area, your favorites, favorite restaurants, favorite dry cleaners, favorite gyms, whatever it is. And then for you, keep those memories. I know oftentimes people will mark their children's height along the door frame, and then a real estate agent might come and say, oh, you should touch that pane up. That's entirely up to you. Maybe take a picture of it. That way you can always have that as a memory of what it looked like to go through that doorway every so often and see the heights of your children as they aged in that home that has a heartbeat. So if we can help you in any real estate related way or anything else, feel free to reach out. Bye.